most important thing would be the exercise requirements of a dog. For instance, an elderly couple with a Weimaraner, which is an extremely high energy dog, would be a mistake. That dog needs to be heavily exercised aerobically, not just walks. It doesn't matter if you live in a studio or a tiny apartment. We can exercise dogs in studios. We can have them jump through a hula hoop. That's heavy duty aerobic exercise. So 15 minutes could be equivalent to the dog run for an hour. You could do that 3 times a day, separate it off. We can also use a flare pole to exercise a dog. There's plenty of toys that exercise dogs that they play with on their own. So it's not necessarily the environment, it really is the person. How much time does the person have, and what is the person going to be comfortable with? Yorkies happen to be hunting dogs. People don't realize that. Jack Russells, yes, they're cute dogs and they look very sweet. They're very high energy. So you could have a dog that naturally is going to be zooming around your apartment. Is that the dog that you're going to be able to channel that energy into different outlets and also be comfortable with it? The exercise requirements of the dog is the most important factor to consider.